it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, we are unboxing this month's LookFantastic beauty box. Luna is joining us today. I'm wondering if she's after the box. So yes, we are unboxing November's beauty box. I haven't been able to unbox these with you guys for a while. I've actually just been unboxing them all on my own. It's quite sad really. Things with the LookFantastic beauty box. Right, okay, just a quick little summary. I haven't been like wowed by LookFantastic in a long while, I'll be honest. I still prefer it to Glossy Box. I think Glossy Box has been very missed recently, but we'll get onto that when I unbox this month's Glossy Box, whenever that might arrive. So yes, LookFantastic. It's been hit and miss. I think I quite liked last month's box, but I haven't tried anything that was in it as of yet. Like I said, been busy. But I'm excited for this. I'm hoping, fingers crossed and all that, that this month's box will be good and that next month's box will be very, very good, because I am contemplating dropping one of the boxes, or both of the boxes, to be honest. LookFantastic beauty box. LookFantastic is winning at the minute if I was to keep one. But yeah, it's a little bit hit and miss for me at the minute, but I still do enjoy that monthly treat, and I do kind of like the surprise of finding what's inside. So we shall see, shall we? Anyway, before I unbox the box with you guys, let's just do a quick little rundown of what LookFantastic is. It's a beauty subscription box. Inside we get 6 different products. LookFantastic tends to be quite skincare heavy, but there's often makeup and other pampery bits and bobs in there. There are different ways to subscribe to LookFantastic. You can subscribe for just 1 month at a time, and if you just subscribe for 1 month at a time, it costs you £15 per box. If you want to subscribe for 3 months at a time, it'll cost you £14.50 per box. If you want to subscribe for 6 months, then it will be £13.75. Or the subscription I have is a year's subscription, 12 months for £13 per box. And you do just pay per month, you don't have to pay it all in one. Let's unbox this. It's exciting. It's exciting. Okay, so inside we have a blue box this month. Let me get it out if I can. Luna's already chewing the little other bit. Whew, there's a whole box for you to go nuts with that. There's a couple of little leaflets and things, some offers from their partners. And then inside we have a navy blue box. Does it have a little bit of a shine to it? I think it might just be the lighting. Okay, so let's open it up. So inside we always get a little leaflet that tells us all about the products. So it... Oh no we don't. I am lying to you. I'm trying to open it up. I think the Glossy Box one's always more of a leaflet. This one's always more of a magazine now, I remember. Okay. So apparently this is not in the box anymore. It's a QR code on the back. Okay, so thankfully I got my phone on me, so I can scan the QR code. Let's see how easy this is to do. Okay, it's found it. Let's open in browser. Let's see what it's got. Oh, it's coming up. LookFantastic's beauty mag. Here we go then. Okay, so it is just like the book, but in an online format. They did this a little while ago, where they stopped putting the booklets in. They said it was a COVID thing. But I was disappointed. I like having the little booklets. But anyway, let's discard that then. Okay, so according to the online booklet, the theme of this month's box is all of the lights. It says, to me, nothing sums up the month of November like the gentle glistening and warm glow of fairy lights and the sparkle of fireworks and bonfires in the distance. As the nights get darker and the days get colder, it's time to wrap up and hunker down for the winter. But there's also another side to this month. The lights and the glitter and the buzz of parties, the office drinks and family get-togethers. It's time now more than ever to celebrate being together and enjoying these magical experiences with everyone around you. So it sounds like they are trying to prepare us for party time of year, because this time of year is synonymous with parties, I guess. Right, okay, so I don't think we had a sneak peek last month, and if we did, I've certainly forgotten. So inside our beauty box, it's always packaged behind some tissue paper. The products, there's also some really nice like little bits of like confetti paper. What would be the wording? I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to give you a very quick flash of the products this month. Woo! And then I'll go through them one by one as they appear on our booklet, which is now online. So first things first, and we're off to a good start, we have a product from Molton Brown. And I do really like Molton Brown's products. So what's this one? Well, firstly, it's very dusty. It must be the paper that they've got inside. It's purple. Don't know if you can tell on here, but beautiful colour. So I'll read the little read up. So it says, what is it? Refresh your wash routine with this luxurious ylang ylang and sweet vanilla scented body wash from Molton Brown. This wash clears impurities and nourishes the skin. Okay, that's right up my street. It really is. Oh, anything with vanilla and ylang ylang is good. It's also got in there honeysuckle flower extract and jasmine. So it says how to use. You lather over skin for an exhilarating experience, intoxicating your senses with floral notes. You can also use it in the bath. I often use these in the bath. They are really, really nice. Okay, so Look Fantastic no longer tells you how much product is worth in their little write-up. I really wish they did. Please, Look Fantastic, can we get that back? I'd like to know what the products are worth that I'm getting. Also, just from looking at the booklet, it looks like this is actually only one of 3 possibilities that you could get in your box this month. So it looks like the other one is from NCLA, and it is a cuticle oil that I had in one of my boxes not that long back. So fine, I'd rather have this. And then it's got Grow Gorgeous hair serum. So I'll be honest, I probably prefer this one out of the 3. Okay, then the next product in the online booklet is a product from Balance Me, and it is their BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. So let's see what the little write-up on this says. This fast-acting leave-on chemical formula is ideal for reducing the appearance of blemishes and leaving your skin smoother and more youthful. It's got in there peppermint oil and mineral oil, and to use it you just apply several pumps to a beauty pad on clean skin and gently wipe over a dry face, avoiding the more delicate eye area. Balance Me are a decent brand, and this is a very small product, but I imagine it's got a good few uses in there because it's only a little wee one. But how many mils does it say? 30 mils. It's not bad. These type of sizes that you get in your beauty boxes and bits and bobs are always really useful for traveling. I usually tend to keep some aside in a drawer that I think are going to be good for that, so that's a top tip. Okay, the next product in our box, we get a foot mask. This is from La Mini Macaron. So what is it? It says indulge in a little self-care for your feet with this nourishing foot mask infused with lavender extract. It's got in there lavender oil, witch hazel leaf, and yeah, that was it. It says to insert clean feet into the foot masks. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the serum to deeply nourish and cleanse your skin. Remove and then massage in the excess oil. So a really nice little pampery treat. I do like doing foot masks. I also like the ones where after a few days they end up peeling off your skin. They're really fun. But this one should be really nice. It's like, it's just a nice pampering treat. The 10 to 15 minutes, I always keep them on for longer than they say, but it's just like I say, a fun little pampery treat. Okay, the next product, and it is just another little one again. This one is from Pray, and it is the Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream. So it's for your neck and your décolletage. So it says, what is it? Designed to target anti-aging, this formula to target anti-aging. Okay, I'm not sure if that sentence made sense, but it's fine. Maybe to target the signs of anti-aging or something would make more sense. Anyway, it doesn't matter. This formula is enriched with a blend of mulberry and grapeseed extracts. The mixture helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's got shea butter and grapeseed oil in there, and it just says to lather on the cream in a gentle upward motion. Instruct from the cleavage to the chin, AM and PM. Okay, so it's a very little pot. Again, we're getting like little travel sizes. Does it say there's 10 mils in here? And again, I don't know how much this is worth. It would be useful if this was worth, you know, like £20 for this little sample size, but we don't get to know. So it really would be nice, Look Fantastic, if you could please put the prices back on. But anyway, yeah, that's an interesting one, something to focus on. And I often actually use a different moisturiser on like my neck and things to my face. So that's actually, it's useful. very small, but I'll use it. Okay, I can't actually find our next product. Give me a second. I'm assuming it's buried. Yeah, found it. Oh my god, I thought it was going to be missing then. Oh, that wouldn't have been a good start, would it? Okay, so, I mean, again, it's tiny though. It's a little pencil. It's teeny, 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 tiny. Okay, so let's see, what is it? Oh! Dropped it. Caught it, it's fine. So what is it? It's from Diego de la Palma. Something I've never heard of, a brand I've never heard of other than in these boxes. Easily enhance your arches with this tool's extra fine tip that gives you both precision and natural coverage when filling, defining and shaping. The creamy formula boasts an incredible finish. I'm assuming this is a brow product then. So it says, tip for a fuller effect, blend in the product combing the brows upwards, forming an arch. Draw on regular strokes to redefine and style your brow shape. Okay, looks like a very dark colour. I mean, I do have dark brows, but obviously that's not going to be for everybody. Doesn't say on it what colour it is, but it looks like a dark brown. It's something I can try. I'm not a big fan of like eyebrow pencils these days, but you know, I don't have to use it for long if I don't like it, because there ain't a lot of it. Alright then, so we're moving on to our very last item in this month's box, and it is a product from Comfort Zone. And now I've just seen it, I have a feeling this was the sneak peek. Maybe. Okay, so this one, what is it? It is a Re-Night cream, a nourishing vitamin cream to use at night. So the little write-up says, working to soothe and hydrate your complexion whilst you sleep, this cream replenishes your skin's moisture, leaving it feeling refreshed and plumped. It's got goji berry oil and hydrolyzed tomato extract in there. Apply in the evening after your face cleansing and blah blah blah. Okay, so in here it's 30 mils. It's another smallish sample, really. There's no massive product in this month's box. I actually have started a night cream recently, but I think it's the last one that I have. So this can go into rotation once I finish with that one. So that's quite useful. But again, I don't know what it's like because I haven't tried it. Okay, so let's have a little rundown of the products in this month's box. So we started off, we've got a a molten brown body, bath and shower gel wash thing. I like molten brown. I think that smells nice and it's a pretty colour. It looks good in the bathroom if nothing else. But that's a really nice one to have, and I know that they aren't particularly cheap. Next one, we have a product from Balance Me. It was a Bha Exfoliating Concentrate. So that's something I can use and I probably will use. There's not a vast amount of it, which is a shame, but you know, it's something I can use. And I think it'll actually be good for my skin. The foot pack, you can often get these for not very expensive. I don't know how much this one is. I don't know the brand, but it's a nice pampery treat. I do like doing a foot mask, so that's nice to have. But again, I don't think it would break the bank to buy this. Another very teeny tiny product was the Eyebrow Pencil. Little teeny tiny product. Again, can't say much about it. I'm not a big fan of pencils. I usually use like a pomade if I want to fill in bits of my brows. Then we had the really tiny little jar again of the throat and décolletage cream. Like I said, it's actually quite useful. I suppose it'll bring us into our last item, which is a night cream for our face. And that's something I'd use on my face and then maybe on my neck and things, use something different. I tend to like to use a lot of maybe like blemish fighting things on my face, but then I don't suffer with that on the rest of this. So it is useful to have a separate cream. So that's not too bad. So the box, it's not too bad. I paid £13 for this. But that said, I don't like it when I feel like we're getting a lot of teeny tiny items in boxes. I feel like that's a little bit of a cheat. I used to be able to get things this type of size from a Feel Unique Pick and Mix, which is the products work out for free. It's been a while since I've done one of those. I don't even know if they're still doing them. I'll have to have a check. But yeah, it's not a bad box. I like how they kind of like got this little purpley theme going. That's really nice. And I can use every single one of the products. That's always a bonus in these boxes, because sometimes there's products that I pass on to people that I don't think I'll use myself, but I will actually be able to use all of the items. So guys, drop me a comment below and please tell me what you think of this month's box. Sometimes I think I'm overly negative, sometimes I maybe have too high of an expectation for these boxes, but it's not a bad box, it's just not a fantastic box, if you know what I mean. Just before we go then, I'm going to check if there is a sneak peek as to what's in next month's box. Next month's box will be the December box, Christmas box, so I always hope for like really good things in the Christmas box. So let's see, there's a lot going through. Oh, what's coming up? Oh, it's not going to tell us. Oh, it doesn't tell us that anyway. It's saying that they've got a Black Friday box coming up, and it's back and bigger than ever. It's packaged with 11 products of best-selling things, yada yada. I don't think we've got a sneak peek. I don't think we've got a sneak peek for next month. Yep, just scan the little booklet thing again, and there's no sneak peek for next month, which is a shame. It's like nights to whet our appetites for the December box, the Christmas box. It's always exciting. I always want like sparkly, pretty things in that box, but we shall see. I seem to think last year both Glossybox and LookFantastic let me down a little on the like December boxes, but we shall see, because like I say, it might mean the difference between keeping my subscription and losing it. I think if I had to give up one at the minute, I am aiming towards dropping Glossybox, but we'll see what their box is like this month. They've sent me an email actually to tell me that it's running late, as always. But there we go. Anyway guys, I won't blab on too much more. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. That would be fantastic. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do a Glossybox and a LookFantastic unboxing every month. I've also got other bits and bobs. You'll have just seen a Superdrug haul and a Primark haul. So stick around. I've also got a lot of Disney stuff coming in the near future. So yeah, subscribe. Anyway guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye.